In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for DigitalOcean account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and which sign up method makes the most sense for you, all without getting lost in extra steps. First, open your web browser and head to the official DigitalOcean website. Take a quick look at the address bar to make sure you're on the correct domain so you know you're in the right place. When the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner and click Sign Up. This will take you to the registration page where you can choose how you want to create your account. Before you proceed, you'll see a note referencing the terms of service and the privacy policy. It's a good idea to skim those so you understand how your data is handled and what you're agreeing to. Acknowledge that message as prompted on the page and continue to the sign up options. You'll see 3 simple ways to register. If you prefer using your existing Google account, click the option to sign up with Google. A secure Google window will open and you can choose the account you want to use. Confirm the standard permissions so DigitalOcean can create your profile. This method is quick and you won't need to create a separate password for DigitalOcean. If you're a developer who keeps code on GitHub, you can choose the GitHub option instead. Click Sign Up with GitHub, authorize the connection in the pop-up, and you're set. This is convenient if you like having your developer tools connected in one place. Finally, if you'd rather keep things independent, select the email option. Enter a valid email address you check regularly and create a strong password you won't reuse anywhere else. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep it secure. After you submit, watch for a confirmation message sent to your inbox and complete the verification. That helps protect your account and ensures you can recover access later if needed. Once you've picked your method and acknowledged the terms, your DigitalOcean account will be created. From there, you can log in and start exploring the control panel where you'll be able to provision resources, view usage, and adjust settings. If you're new to cloud platforms, take a moment after sign up to look around the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the menus. That quick orientation will make your first project much smoother. That's it. Simple, clear, and done. Follow along with these steps, choose the sign up method that fits you best, and you'll be ready to use DigitalOcean in just a few minutes.